Hey guys, what's going on? This is Hari, and in today's video I will show you how you can change your product image from this to this. If you also want to know how to make your product's image visually attractive, then keep watching this video. So we are going to use Flare.ai in order to design our product image. Flare is an AI design tool for branded content that helps users quickly and affordably generate high quality marketing assets. Once you are here, create your account and you'll see this type of interface. Click on Create New Project. Upload your product image. Describe your product image. Now you can add a prompt explaining how your image should look like. You can click to change it, but I'm okay with the default prompt. After that, it will take a few seconds to generate. As you can see here, we have changed a boring picture to somewhat more interesting. Once you are happy with it, you can save it to your computer system. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.